Pedal to the metal, unleashing the power of idioms in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression that's widely used in English: pedal to the metal. This phrase is not just about cars. It's about pushing limits and going full speed ahead. So, buckle up as we explore the meaning, origin, and how to use this thrilling idiom in your conversations. Pedal to the metal is an idiom that means to go as fast as possible, to do something with maximum effort or speed. It originates from driving, where it refers to pressing the car's accelerator pedal all the way down to the floor, where the metal is, to drive as fast as possible. However, it's used broadly to talk about any activity where you're giving your all or moving forward with full force. The phrase, pedal to the metal, has its roots in car culture, dating back to the mid-20th century when car racing and the need for speed became a significant part of popular culture. It captures the adrenaline and intensity of pushing a car to its speed limits. Over time, it transcended the world of racing and became a metaphor used in various contexts, symbolizing the essence of going full throttle in any aspect of life. Using pedal to the metal in conversation is quite straightforward. It's best used in situations that involve pursuing goals, facing challenges, or simply when speaking about moving quickly. Here are a few examples. In motivation, we're behind on this project, team. It's time to put the pedal to the metal. In personal achievements, I've decided to put the pedal to the metal on my studies this year. I really want to ace those exams. In casual conversation about haste, we're running late for the movie. Let's put the pedal to the metal, or we'll miss the start. Remember, while the phrase is versatile, it's more suitable for informal contexts or casual conversations. It conveys a sense of urgency, determination, and intensity. And there you have it, folks. Pedal to the metal, demystified. This idiom is a powerful way to express the concept of going all out, whether it be in achieving your dreams, facing challenges head-on, or simply speeding up your actions. We hope this video has not only expanded your vocabulary but also inspired you to put the pedal to the metal in your own life. Thanks for watching, and remember, learning English is a journey. Enjoy the ride at full speed.